Guys, this is Mr. Casey, and I'm going to show you how to use Excel to create a graph for your science investigation. So, if you've got your data here, you want to select, drag over that data. I'm going to click Insert, Charts, and then the scatter graph here. It's the first option, top left. Click that, and you'll see your graph comes up. And at the moment it's all mixed up with your data. We want to put it on its own sheet, so we're going to right click and go Move Chart, New Sheet. You can call that whatever you want. Now it's on its own page. Now we're going to go to Chart Elements, the plus sign in the top right corner, and we want to make sure it's got axes, axis titles. I'm going to click that. Chart titles, and it should also have grid lines. None of these other things, we don't have to worry about those. I want to put in axis titles here, so I'm going to delete that where it says axis title. I'm going to put in voltage. And don't forget, I'm going to put in the unit, capital V for volts. It's on my y-axis. On the x-axis, guess what? I'm going to put in current. And unit for current, A for amperes. And chart title. I'm going to put in the name of the graph, voltage, current, graph for 50 centimeter micron coil. Now our graph needs to have a straight line, a line of best fit. So to put that in, I'm going to right click any one of these points here and go down to Add Trend Line. On the right hand side here, it's going to come up with some options. It should be on linear, and if we scroll down, we don't want to set intercept, but we want to click display equation on chart and display R squared value on chart. And then the equation and the R squared value is going to pop up, but it's super tiny and hard to see, so we're going to move that, and we're just going to increase the size so it's nice and easy to see. So now a few formatting things. You can see this line of best fit here. It's really hard to see, it's quite faint. So if I double click on that, click on the paint tin, then I can adjust a few things about it. So I'll increase the width maybe to about 2 points to make it easier to see. The data points here also a bit small and difficult to see, so if I double click on those, again go paint tin, now this time go marker options. There's a few different options here. I suggest going down to the square here. It's like the third square down, increasing the size to about size 8, and then if you click on no fill, it's going to turn these two little crosses, and we can also change the color. Since we're going to print this out in black and white, I may as well change the color to black. Now that looks a lot better. If you want to increase the size of any of the labels, pretty much the same thing. Just go and click in there, then you can increase the size. And that's it. Print your graph.